Good morning! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making sugar cookie wax melts. So to start off here, I have 8 ounces of melted wax, and to this I'm going to add a few drops of cream candle dye. This is from Candlewick. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of Sparkle Me Gold mica from Mad Micas, and this is because I want there to be a little bit of shimmer when the wax melts actually is in the warmer. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we are going to try that. And then I'm going to add my fragrance and stir this up for about 2 minutes, and that will allow the wax, the fragrance, and the colorants to all bind together. Okay, so our 2 minutes are up. I'm going to just let this sit here and start to solidify a little bit. I'll come back every few minutes and stir it up, and I want it to get to the consistency of like oatmeal. So I'm gonna let it start to solidify, and I'll come back and keep checking on it, stirring it up until it's the consistency I want to make the cookies. It is quite a bit later, and this is the consistency that we have here. So I'm going to pull over my parchment paper, and we are going to start to make our cookies. So I'm just going to take a spoonful, and then just gonna like dollop it like that. Go through and texture them a little bit just to make them look more like a cookie. Okay, now that we have our cookies out, I'm happy with the texture. I'm going to take a little bit more wax. I just have it in this little Dixie cup here, and I'm going to color it with this is New Brown from Candlewick. I just added 2 drops, and let's see what that color looks like. I want this to be a chocolatey brown color. I ended up adding 1 more drop of the brown to this wax, and now I think I have the color that I want. So what I'm going to do is use this pipette, and I'm going to put a little drizzle over like the top half of the cookie, and then I have these sprinkles here. These are from Sweeta Polita, and this is their Twinkle Sprinkle Medley. And I'm going to put these on the top. And then the last thing I'm going to do is use this toothpick to kind of push all of the sprinkles down and make sure that they're in the wax good, so that when it dries, all of the sprinkles don't fall off. Alright, we are all done. Let me bring you in for a close-up. So here are our finished cookies. I am going to let them continue solidifying, and then I'll come back in just a few minutes and show you what they look like once I've had a chance to clean them all up. Here are our cookies all cleaned up. I think they turned out so cute. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to see what else we create over here on this channel. Also, if you want to see when these will be available in the shop, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll have the links in the description box below. And until the next one, I'll talk to you later. Bye!